Well guys, the tires on the Jeep are coming off, but the reason why the tires are coming off is not because they're defective or anything, but we're gonna do another upgrade to the Jeep today. Yeah, I really like how my tires look on the Jeep, but I have one problem. I have 37-inch by 12.5 tires, and they are taking a toll on my fenders, especially on the back side. The back side has definitely seen better days. It's definitely chewing through the fenders. That means I'm gonna have to put some aftermarket fenders later on to make it pretty again. But tires are coming off, and then we have a little something right here. So I'm gonna be doing a 2.5-inch lift kit on the Jeep to get rid of the rubbing. I know obviously it's not the best kit ever, but this will do so I don't have no more rubbing issues and makes my Jeep look a little bit nicer. No, I am not gonna go off-roading with the Jeep anytime soon, I think, hopefully, especially because I don't want to deal with the cleaning. But I do want to make my Jeep nicer and not rub anymore, because when I'm on the highway, especially I go over at a bump, whatever, just feels like the Jeep's gonna fall apart. So taking care of that today. Also later on, I'm gonna give you guys a schedule that I'm planning out for the channel. As you can see, I'm always busy working with Adam's car. Adam has about 14 or 15 cars that need to get worked on, so I'm here every day, Monday through Friday, working on them. It's my main job, so I'm trying to do YouTube on my spare time, but it's always been an issue because I never have time to do the YouTube stuff or the other thing when I'm tired. So now I'm getting myself organized and I'm trying to schedule everything so I can do more YouTube, do more work, get more rest time, do more free time stuff, etc. So before I can do that, let's mount the Jeep suspension and get that out of the way first. How do like non-strong people take these things off? These things are so heavy. Aha. Here it is, guys. The Jeep has been lifted. So now it should clear the big tires. Look at all the gap that I have right now from tire to fender. Especially on the back, it was running the worst. My fender's all destroyed, but look at all the clearance that I have now. I also went ahead and replaced the lug nuts. The lug nuts that I had before kind of sucked. So I put these nice black ones that I got from Amazon, and they look a lot cleaner now. Alright, I know everybody's been asking about the RX-7. Well, the RX-7 has been on hold for a while, especially since I've been so busy with the shop. I've been trying to get the E36 up and running and make sure it's reliable. I've been putting a lot of attention on the Jeep since it's my daily. So I got the big tires, I got the wheels, I got the suspension now, I got the woofers. So I think I'm gonna leave that alone for now, and then next time I have free time, I'm gonna work on the RX-7, which is sitting right here, all lonely, next to the shop. So yeah, very soon I'm just gonna like pull the motor out of the RX-7, and then I'm gonna send up the car off to paint so I can restore the car because it doesn't look very great. So with the RX-7, the plans are going to be to remove the engine, do a full rebuild, Bridgeport, all the things that needs to be done inside the engine, and then I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about rotaries and maybe a couple surprises with that. I truly have like the best room decoration ever. Got the Xbox, got my Harry Potter stuff, got my Nitro drag car valve, got a dog box gear, helmet, oil coolers, my spare steering wheel, my other helmet, horsepower award, highest horsepower award from Titan Motorsports, and my coolest decoration ever that I get everybody with. Alright guys, that's all I got for today's video. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. I will see you guys in the next one. I actually have a bunch of videos that I need to edit, so I'm gonna be editing a couple of them today. So by the time this video is out, I am gonna be in the process of editing the next one, and I should have a few videos. I know I've been slacking a lot, but I'm also making another video where I'm explaining why the lack of videos lately. I am going through a bunch of like change of times and schedules and whatever, so I'm making everything so I'm able to have time for YouTube, time for work, time for the cars, time to rest, so I don't have these all the time. I'm making time for everything, so I'll explain you guys in one of the next videos. It's about to go down. The Mr. Kids entering the big box, and I'm gonna set up the burn. break the car.
SR20.
Fucking send it, man. I gotta fix it afterwards.
Oh, no, no, send it.
Come on, go, send it. That's what I'm talking about.